This is my 1987 BMW 325i. This is also my first time on YouTube. I've never made a video before, but I figured, why not? So I woke up this morning, grabbed my buddy Nick, and said, hey bud, let's go out and make a YouTube video. So you're gonna see us grabbing some car parts, grabbing some food, and shredding the Beamer a little bit later. Thanks.
Eddies.
Pull a heck of a UE here, bud.
I can't pull out a UE. Past Eddies. Here we go, bud.
Alright. Did you really GPS it? It's like 500 meters behind us.
Yeah, well, with your directions, it'd be 500 meters in the opposite way. We're supposed to keep going straight.
What? Is it up there?
Yeah.
You got the yellow, bud.
Yellow.
Ripper.
Ripper. That was a rough UE.
It's the feds.
Where's the feds?
No, it's fast Eds.
Oh, no.
I don't know if
How do you miss that
my
sign?
lens is not going far enough.
Forget it. That was awesome. Whoa, dude. Place order here. What the hell do we order?
Good afternoon, welcome to Fast Eddies. How can I help you today?
Hi there, can I get a double bacon cheese slider with
Just the burger.
just the burger, and then can I get a bottle of water with it?
So buy a combo, they'll be cheaper then.
Okay, sounds.
Bottle of water, you are paying more money.
Okay, that's good.
I go boss, cost you $7.76.
Two of those.
Oh, I'm sorry, two of those.
Two. There you go boss. And what is the second drink?
Root beer, and I'll do crazy fries.
Anything else?
Yeah, with that second combo, can they be crazy fries?
Sure. Anything else boss?
That's it.
1787 driver, please.
Thank you.
Don't give a shit about customer service, and they're like, this is what we do, and we're gonna do it. It's awesome. That's the legend. I think he's gonna see that.
Give me some fast Edwards, bud.
Fast Edwards, man. The quickest Edward that we know.
There you go boss, that's you right here. I'll give you bag in a second.
Awesome, sounds good. Holy shit, alright, you're all on.
There you go boss, that's the rest of the food right here.
Alright.
Thank you for coming. Have a nice afternoon and Happy New Year.
Yeah, you too. Happy New Year.
Got the crazy fries. Got the fast Eddies. Show me that bag. Oh yeah.
Apparently this is ritualistic car food.
This is like Canadian In-N-Out. Okay, so we're here eating our fast Eddies in the car, and this flapjack bird keeps coming up and landing on our rear windows and our rear view mirrors, and like I put a fry up on the mirror, and the second I did it, he came and snapped it up, and I just missed it with the camera. So I'm gonna see if I can get it again. Don't you be a slide. Bird up! Bird up! Throw that window down.
Oh, he's gonna dip the minute I do it.
Just try it.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh, yo! It gets me really horny. Do I turn left up here?
Yeah.
Good, just dodge behind me and can finally climb. Dude, we need to climb that.
On the road again.
Dude, we need to climb there.
Making music with my friends. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Maybe like a new warehouse for Napa or something. I don't know. But this is where you go to get parts. If it's not a mod, then you just need the part. The part. Give me the part. Auto parts.
So you got a discount, yeah?
Yeah. So what happened?
Wrong location.
Wrong location. What happened? What actually happened? You ordered it to the wrong location, didn't you?
Just get in the car.
You ordered to the wrong location.
Yeah.
You maroon.
Sorry.
It's okay.
It happens. All right.
Napa, take 2. Nick's got the goods.
Got it finally.
Finally got the Corolla. We're gonna get this thing hooked up with a new mass airflow sensor. So, all right, let's rock and roll. So we want to take the Beamer for a quick rip, but I think we need some pizza first, and then we can soak up the leftover pizza when we get back with some beer.
Exactly. Weber Street?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do her.
Domino's or pizza?
Domino's. Domino's. So we can
flapjack.
Take her for a rip there, bud.
Let's do her, bud. Let's do her. So we got the pizza here, and we've eaten, so we're gonna go take the BMW for a rip, or see if we can at least get it started tonight. So we'll see how that goes. This is 1987 BMW 325i, rear wheel drive, inline 6. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix up the front here, hopefully put some much nicer headlights in there with some fog lights, so we've got better range. On top of that, we're probably going to replace these old crappy metal bumpers, the US spec bumpers. We've got a new hood for it right there that we're going to put on. It's going to need new wipers, some new trim pieces, fresh coat of paint, and we're actually going to be lifting this thing and using it for off-road camper use. So we're going to be putting a cool little tent on top. We're going to be putting a utility bar on the back with shovel, axe, all the stuff we're going to need, you know, lighter, stuff like that. And if you come here, so inside the interior definitely needs a cleanup. We are going to be reupholstering the seats, hopefully leather, and then I was thinking some kind of insert here, likely plaid. We're thinking of calling the car the Lumber Daddy. We're going to be doing probably a 3-inch lift on IX or vert springs, and some beefy Goodrich tires, I think, and that should be good for the time being. So, but for tonight, we're going to try and get it started and take it out for a rip on some B roads. The first thing we did was get the hood removed, which wasn't very hard considering it wasn't attached at all. The second thing we did was kind of scramble with the headlights. Kind of got a high beam and a low beam in eventually, but it wasn't pretty. The last issue was revolving around the distributor. The car had a bad misfire last time I parked it and didn't seem to want to start this time. Okay, kind of got it to fit. It's not perfect, but it's enough for a romp. And at $15 a headlight, I mean, if we break one, who cares? Alright, so we've kind of got it figured out for now. The hood is off. We got this headlight's always been on, but we kind of put a high beam and a low beam in on the other side here. They're kind of half-ass on in different directions, but they're on. And we have a distributor wire done up here with a coat hanger. I don't know if you can see that very well, but that's a coat hanger right there. So yeah, this thing may or may not run, but it's got no exhaust on it right now, so we're gonna push it out in the street
And we're gonna die
and then try and start it. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Alrighty.
Holy shit, it's cool.
Grab the 6 We got it. Alright, let's go for a rip there, bud. The clutch on this is pretty shot, but we'll see what we can do. And it's misfiring like a bitch. I honestly don't even know where this road goes. We got no washer jets here for the windshield either, because there's no hood. Alright, let's kick it a little bit. Clutch. Oh, you can smell the clutch though. It's slipping bad. I know. So I got the car kind of stuck. So
Can we take 2 seconds to warm up? Yeah.
I just want to get home. Oh shit! Gas. That was the gas. There, the sun's stuck.
Awesome. Just to get us.
Alright, let's go home. Trying to get her up the hill that is my driveway. It's pretty painful. Alright.
So after a hard day of doing stupid shit, always like to get down with some steam whistle.
Beers.